I'm sure at some point in time we've all driven a four-wheel drive that rides dreadfully, squeaks like no tomorrow, and doesn't even want to stay on the road. Well, more often than not, the problem and reason the vehicle's doing all of those things is because the bushes are worn out. Terrain Tamer have developed the Pro Bush. This is made with a unique synthetic composition, and it's designed to give excellent characteristics when you're using your four-wheel drive. So let's look at some of the features that are designed into the Terrain Tamer Pro Bush. Traditionally, a synthetic bush is known for giving a very harsh ride, and the rubber bush gives you a nice supple ride. Well, the Pro Bushes have been developed so they give you the same ride and feel as the rubber bush. On the flip side, the synthetic bush has a reputation for lasting very well. Well, the Terrain Tamer Pro Bushes have maintained that durability, so much so they come with a lifetime warranty. In high humidity environments, the traditional polyurethane bush that we know tends to crumble and decay and break down in that humidity. But the Terrain Tamer Pro Bush has been developed so it doesn't have that problem. To manage the lubrication of the bush with the grease that is supplied in the kit, there is a number of features in the bush. Internally, we have a crosshatch pattern that maintains the grease and holds it where it's needed to operate. And externally, we have these rifling grooves which will also hold the grease and ensure that the bush is properly lubricated. And that greasing process can be done at time of fitting and will not be required throughout the life of the bush. The composition of the bush is such that they've been designed to maintain their shape throughout their life. They've also been designed to give you lots of articulation and flex and movement within the bush, and yet still maintain their structure and strength. And the bushes have an excellent chemical resistant and oil resistant. Let's say you're changing the oil filter and some oil floods down across one of the bushes in your suspension system, well, it's not going to affect the way the bush operates. So if your four-wheel drive isn't holding the road, it's squeaking and it doesn't handle correctly, give some consideration to the Terrain Tamer Pro Bushes. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails. Terrain Tamer have a 50-year-old promise to deliver quality engineered four-wheel drive parts.